Hey guys, it's me, Seriously, I'm that guy here, and today I'm reviewing another Nerf gun. It is the Nerf N-Strike Elite Mega Big Shot. This is an unboxing and a review, so let's get started. I will go ahead and cut these strings. There we go. Actually, I think it's smarter if I cut the box. There we go. Let's just go ahead and rip it out. This is my first Mega gun that I am reviewing. So let's see how this works. Here we go. Clip. There's one over here. Let's see. Can I get? Sorry, it's kind of hard. And there we go. The gun has been set free. Now, I will tell you that if you watch my other video about the Triad EX3, it's just like this one. This one is just a Mega. Okay, so let's open up the darts. Oh, I think I got it. Yep, here are the Mega darts. If you also watch my previous videos, if you don't know, the Mega darts and Mega you can actually fit a smaller dart inside that hole right there, which is actually pretty cool. And they are heavier, so they will really pack a punch. So let's get on with it. This, like I said earlier, is a Nerf N-Strike Elite Mega Big Shock. Ooh, said shot. That's kind of weird. And it's like the Triad. Pull this little lever and you shoot. Pull it and shoot. Alright. If you can't, I think you can kind of see. Right here is a storage compartment for a bullet. Like this. Or you can use it as a little tiny sight. See that like hole right there? You can use that as a sight to aim your gun and to get better accuracy. But right now we're going to fully load it. So let's put this in the front. Kind of like a Triad. Fit this one up here. And here's what it looks like when you're going into battle. It actually looks pretty slim. Even though it's a big bulky Mega gun, it looks pretty good because this part right here, the tip of the bullet, looks like it's part of the barrel, I guess you could say. And then this part up here, this bullet, looks like it's part of the gun. So it almost looks like there's no bullets. But then you come up and you shoot. And there you go. Alright, let's do a shooting test. I'm going to go back and shoot from about 10-15 feet away. Remember guys, it's just like a Triad. So you pull it back, you shoot it, and I just discovered that it's a whistle dart. So that means that when it passes through the air, it makes kind of like a whistling sound. And right now I removed my top dart that's in the storage compartment, and I'm using my sight, which works very well. I enjoy this gun. I do think, guys, that with this gun, it is actually pretty quiet, except for the bullets. But that kind of adds the whole cool effect. But in this scenario, I would more use it with the tighter war, like maybe with 3 or 4 people, because of how well it shoots and how quiet it is. But when you're in a big war, you're not going to want a gun with just 2 darts. You're probably going to go with something like the crossbow or a strife or maybe even the Mega Rotor Fury. So that is my tip for you. But it is a very cool pistol. And yeah, I really enjoy it. Let's go ahead and recap before I end the video. It is the Nerf N-Strike Elite Mega Big Shock. It has a storage compartment, that also includes a sight right here, and also includes a big barrel, comes with 2 mega whistle darts, which I said earlier are bigger than the original darts, and it's like a triad. And as always, guys, this is Seriously I'm That Guy, signing off.